na hweso oba ebefa afuro na wanyem bosome enkron ebi kura de pa ho obi timenyem 10 months almost obi kura de pa mu 11 ya wo show how ni atete ampepi ya ma ye famu na ebedru se awo beka obi yesi yenya ka emfa ne ntum na ka ne kura yenya bia samso a ye de nipa kro no ebefa so ne de na kwa ya asabia no ebi ni wo sanse samso na dwiri abu enti oba pemfo na je ye de ne to abobo ya mu ana ye pepragia bi ne ye pia ne hye wo de hwese de pragia si fatie ade emu eka ya emu kitikiti wankasa wotire mu na ye obi a wo wakura te sa adwoa na ukotodwe kura pem baabi asenkani no wo no enti wo ba pemfo na ye pia na hye pragia mu ana sa abobo ya mu ansa na ye de na pe baabi afa na yade bi e hadwene pa na wono se samso no a ewo empotem honom no wo maka ho asem aka so bepemene sa samso no wo mu enhunu akire ene wo mo ayemu kasa atro ehon krata de akoma assembly no nanso bepemene wo mu nyanhunu bibi papa bia emfamfiri mu na yade bia ehadwene sede amidi kan no ne etete wo mo kra no eye ema pemfo no wo masem na eye mobo na yamane boni ba wa beidu ena yeto no ma no kɔ hɔnom sɛ wɔn kɔ hɔnom na wɔn kɔdi nkɔmɔ kakra emfama yɛn ne yɛnhyɛ sɛ de sompa so yɛbetimi abamu ni aboa ama saa ɔhaw na ɛwɔ kyinkyimori no yɛtimi ahyɛ ne yɛyi ɛde afiri hɔ na ekuafo bi ya wɔn so samsuo yi ɛnoa na wɔn de kɔba wɔn adwuma ho asɛm yɛbɛba wɔn manfoɔ ne nsɛm no so na emom yɛndi kan enkotie ekuafo no
Beji mfinfi haneba na beji no nsu toye na beji no bu nsu ani bitwi fa so na beji no bu ye no yenya abonfo dia na no bo aye since wa hwe ni ma di finfu mu ba yenya ba bia amfa wa anya wa akra wada wo na opia bi ya kinyi obi akra na mpia ma nti aban ne mpanifo a ne ka bi ebam omo ye no na beji no mai oto haka sepa yesu efesen ka abaso lebon ime me nkopon eyi mama yindi nim say wudi wonya behwe yidi nkopon mama yindi pam because enye nipa ba akokra na epra ba ha nipa ibe ni epra nfudie ba koko omo le ba mutimi fa ntwa na aka onye mese iti se wudi madawro ma nto aban say ono no mai yeso ye homo omo hwe no about your baby with a several children and CC. So I was up at the Mopana, Sabu, say, Yabaha crab, a year, you will be a total of what you said, not to say, in sheer up to cry about an ultimate person, especially at a more by 90 cry, more because it will be become police or neighbor. And I just said, a place for the corner, see our Baha cries would you say, Bridge and I say, Karma, a bobby answer so much, Panic, and then Fusubi, Ebola to be no honey opportunity. That's what I said, man, my phone, no more they say, on show when it's over here, so I believe you the
way. Painful it mission nkwa because se bridge bia say, yes, ye, a yarahosem. Na enwachi na omanfo bi e wochinchimori wo so se ene ba wa bedu abedru hono dia wo mo wakakraka edigu na sum
jinchimori yana pa ni yakoni na sai tika fo so ba ye nti se ko ni ye ba chiredia ayekekere ni ma sai na ye basa ti yesre se mboye yensu kura no ba mu wa zisoro bombu wa ko ko furu tumaya ko nisuru so ko board furu tumaya ni ko ay si abai se wa tisuru na ya dia hiya ba ko ni tin ko wa dia so ko ba ru se wa rai bu ya wa ti ni ni na ni pasa je fais chinchini and clinic because so emergency because I just say pandemic problem. And so clinic school day teachers for only teachers for no ba say when the do any reable say I remember her say remember I say a child a teacher from Crab school come here. A shaman say, say, remember, clinic Jendi help and send a clinic our hand. I should have buy a pa.
Way your manphobia watching Chimori ena yete womo enkano na odikura owo empotem ho nana Kwame Boateng yene no edi enkomo no se oba area ho no akua wo mo ye bi papa yanka Ghana ha kura ne Chinchimori fo nko betimi asopra aduane enso ewe he akwan nye wo mo samso asei chese ye ka se empuntunyuma se developmental project ba kokure ni ho no mo a wo mo benefit binti national cake ni de ye die gya wo mo
yeah, how to say, you're quite you to help. So now, school, you program to see. School doesn't quite clear when you're cooking. You're coming to cooking. You hear how to sit down and school was school classes. And because you come to Korea, it's just one as a woman. You believe the car ever. You see, for example, so much as you don't be about them. Yes, I see how it's just been as a cruise of medical say, could make a slip on the cuckoo, dear could do it because if I say, you do could make a slip on here. What the citizen say,
enti odikro eno no nana Kwame Boateng na yete ne nka no se wode ne nsema todwa mepacho se wo hye e wo Facebook ne so a ene enkomo ya ye die obehu TV no so na eda so clear no bridge no a ye ka ho asem no enna wo hunu no enye wo enye kitikiti sei na hwese wo bi kuani bi adobanche na yetu banchi na gu esen mu anka yesese ye transporte ede efiri efuo mu honom ne yedi kokrom ne yekoton hwe banchi ne yentimi kura mpia aka ho wo ma ya enko enti eyade bi ha dwene hwe enya banchi keto o enti weye kuani ba kokura afu a imagine say resident na ewo krom a wom se adwuma a wom ya ne kua no wom maka no so ye fa hin abusua ye kɔ ahoma no so na ye ne assembly member wo area honom Honorable Smaila Zakari akwakodi nkomo e de afa sare hosemu na wedie ano odin Honorable otimenka memuajo emo akwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra so yeda se pasa ye bo wa homemu no wagye yen so na enne wo mpeso ano so ne aba de kire se ye video ya yenya ya ye hwe wa haidie enema nkoye kura Honorable na wobi na ado banchi ya yetu banchi na gu abobo ya mu akoka kwantifiche samso no enyenyenyenyenyen nti wei se yentimi ampekwa ebesu amfa nkokroma na chese kuyani no waboka Honorable wo mpeso so nie ede na wo woka
yo me aba na dawase na akonya wodi amame na machia SOMPA TV SOMPA atifo nyina ende adwere me aba na kwasam sede wohunu no saa pepe na etie wota abiayo Chinchimori ene ashabra ni ntine so metima kase kwan a aye no ho yishi ofa tampo so a na wakwa kopie abrochire na emra moto ama ema at assembly member no itu anamo a edika ama ye be ye kwan no eba ni dem kama na efiro no ana sa bridge a empempe ye hwe eye bridge a ebu ye nsuru to ye no na obi dom wo nti wesi kwan no ma nsuru fantente ma bridge no ebu ye na bridge ebu ye no meso ntimi ma me manfo emfa awo hawe mu nti ne bo assembly no efudu mu ebo assembly no amane se de be ya o meba ye mo banka ya tini aye bridge me bo mo pulu ma bo mo pulu because so mo na se da o mo na o mbe bo aye etan se no ba ya ifi ntese su ho eba no ya de a ebe ko abofo market ebe ko anyesi su market ebe ko kokote market the moment that I am going to do no differently assembly no ebenya revenue aye de efrim thank you Hassan ka on be boy make us breaking ebu you know come 3 years and then prepare yes aba do inti ya bo assembly no pulu mo Hassan ka mo me boy Mama, Intimia initiative, and I call offense no, I compare and Marco be in Yanamo Mana, in Yanamo for Faso and net prepare moving. No fire, no, when we walk out almost 5,000 and yes, because the operators call who put up price and nearby. Thereby, and also community also have wire and make it some break, but also come out, take a crowd, with and manage it down with the Omoniama about. In about area, in Pisha, and I said, Bibi, I can't watch him. A year, Bibi, a cocoa growing area, because cocoa is free or epano, and yet, as I'm Katua, Yaka, cocoa, and four and also cocoa, a creafua more offensive man filmoir. We use it to modify in Navy. Until that, you know, assembly no. Why am I yetimi assist the final na yetimi ade charge by the way mo atimati omujuma dia na so mo akwana ba ayefo amomo ni aba yese president when you bo na test so na ofan sa maybe in say NDC abaye no omo try say omo de enkania e call ampa when send training no call and so we ya na me man for no e prefer I'm when you're finding the moment and some of the light bedding ever call and to me, my much as and playing and not about way into Yangi and Lutuna. The moment light and not upper honor. As some little baby, I don't know about you kind of thing because a quamming ya and Yadia will make me a fast now commission and light now over the APAM picture. And a man called current government in FCA. Omaba Senka, Omonia Madam, Naka, Briti, Yenye, Naki, Sisi, Quay, Tedebea, Yatecha for any queer for making me a faso, at me up with the Jumatism called Ediamwa of Resoma and a Ghana mine. In Yaba, I wrote them a woman said, I teach a 4 year, a mocha de one of them, I was taxia, the our power, do Moko. It's answered by now saying, when Timia Facano, Uncle Drew School more, or Parke and Quentin feet. I was a woman say, "Oh, I'm supposed to have a facano. Now, if I'm born for a born a glass, soon can I try one day the kind of mono. I'm one for the Paboni for a free the camp. In Yakota, MC, Emma, coordinating director, and maybe a far pine so, and a drip coordinator, the far pine so, Tabaya, Baba Pano, and no actually more, your Anna was sent training, I could see and persuasion in Yama.
Honorable Sumaila, mwasemu die areho na wo se bridge ne say na be 3 years nie saying na resident wo area ho how have you guys been surviving the chere say yade bi hadwene na aside bridge ne kura no mehu se kromo ho no no ankasa na mi se empuntuo die ebi abomo pa because me hwe kromo ho ase ehwa ye sum kakra ana mu ni nkane
About and no one seven on the car may say that already know you can't outside information up until current government buying on one Sunday light airport and the channel so and preparing can alcohol by the test in your commission and also I was in it classroom our young class and I see young and Ketran also a court and school and yes I walk Bohu is a coffee but the community is enough for them in the SAR now apart or how I was that in the channel so and then acquire any because in the pardon for it is Arab for now to no master because of machines I can tell them and we are on the the island or how you will was that tomorrow.
Enti honorable 5,000 now what's the year bridge and Wayne bridge way ya
Ningaba a chat Marco Beno ya and your friends for an answer to tomorrow in the eye. Your follow offense no can I fire an idea a voice and a boy and then omagicium and then break that I talk to a man of boy in Chelsea in Nano and Nana amount to
5,000 Me pacho why so na mukosi wo assembly ho
Yo many about me municipal chief executive so and I want to to engineer into me engineer ho ama and also adding any ever hair pan or more already they know the kilometers are road no cover and coordinating director and before last 2 months and I'm in the cover a pan also with their dream coordinator with the instruction of the municipal chief executive and a cover pan also into now the more to a found and they are also question already not many Bruno and at a chef actual letter. I'm another than such as my teacher headmaster also than such as I'm a command assembly no. To say assembly no about the share and am I and then I'm a actual reminder. Actually, yeah, let an idea by the issue. And it's a coordinating director about panel so ever said the panel is in print year chaser on Babe and what Minaba.
Honorable, enyumre mi de ubesi ha because yewo MC ewo ahomane so epese ye ne ne koni yekodi nkomo enti said ye wo kan ye no yate ne nyina nemom for the meantime ne de we no de mo so so ho kakra me ye sure say DC and MC ba ye bebisa no anamo aso for assembly no so wo mu etu e de aboa ene Adam matters nso eno so eye concern me kra de ehia mekese no ye enuane no a sei na pro na omafo wo area ho so muntimi enkomma esa na ma brabo ne ye den enti ma me na wase na me fa wo ensi ha nwumre why
yo me na ba me da
right
aja maso no mo so be mwa na assembly no other buana yetimi atiesie ekwan no e de ama emema fo na omonso masuma dwome na omonso aho ato omo ne omo na ba ye no so matimi de akodwa ma so atimi anya de e de ahyo mbutum e de aboa community no nyama
right medase honorable Sumaila Zakari eye assembly member Chinchin Mori electoral area ena yene no ekoya yekodi enkomo no enti wei asantemante mu asam ne yeken offenso south mensimu ena saa kroyi ehyehe na eya rehupi pass o my Ghana baby yedru se oman na kro bi wo hono mo a honorable sini bottom sika 5,000 Ghana cedis 5,000 now her bridge ya edaho because na surprising se bridge ya edaho na 5,000 honorable se debi expenses ne drosso ejuma a wo mo ye mrantia ye fa wo mo baby ye kofa enuane eba ye sen a ekoye sika ye di tua boys ne ka ne nyina ka ho bi na ye 5,000 Ghana cedis na wo mo de aye ade ya eda TV so ya wo hwei womo dia ya de ye da TV su ya wo hwei se samso na che se wei no na honorable bottom sika beso as assembly member wono na timi aye ede boa ne community no se de be ya o mbetimi akwa aba na akuafo nso a ado womo no ba ya kan wura mu na pro no ye betimi dia ba krom na womo aton enya womo so bibia wo mbetimi enya dia firi mu enti ensem no de akwakwa ya rehosam ye hwese honorable ebeba homa no so MC for the area na yene no akwakodi enkomo honorable Frank Owusu Amoa eye MC offenso south owo ahoma no so honorable enyumrei memoajo emo akwa abaye da CP SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Sunie ena fe SOMPA TV ye number bia Ghana half anade nkomo ya yedi number bia takurade takwa sunyan techiman enkuranza enti ye mo akwa babiem yo honorable sesia ne ani assembly member ya owo electoral area honorable Sumaila Zakari edin komona ye Chinchimori residents wo mo ara hosam ya ye kan ni empotema hodo nso a eben wo mansin no wo mo ekire mu se wo ma be bo assembly amane wo sansem ma wo kura wo direct wo mo se wo mo enko ye wo mo hye akwan ensem so wo mansin no emu no na so far sign na kwakosi because asemi wo kire se ache wo mo nyanya ntie bia free assembly no ho ede na wo kafa ho
so mama takoya tatem bot dikasi metia me manful na I think more for so na sacho na mini arazo na koma se so I keep on saying say about attend the election you to say against society papa brother sitting na the how would be na NDC as a party you lament it and I say you complain that we work on whatever program you betray na me was more sensitive okay actually I think the first more you can see those area for is a buona there is a result challenge na initially na the percent issue in the recipe na buona bibia kama na umi say bibia na how ka say deposit no issue the na most yana budget now IGF player most of the projects no enti eba so na ye ma scale the day the buona enti sama tutu amowie na e machines no so operator no we shape machines no no asat na nya mechanizer no nti e dey okotwa job wa bia ho na ya hako yi bike na tama bibia ya ready say e hira ba ko ne so na ho do no kakra nti na enya dia na bi tinya na esu unity nti so no ya fe unity na asiakra na watch so cost strike na my enya challenge kakra nti me aso man ko asiam so ko kiti ya plan ya a kind project you this 2026 year one even from now that start here I'm on the coordinator and in charge of that I'm not for any engineer for assessment we na even from now machine and the mental India here for site for you was that could one say how about one man then the how about practice was most of them are here funny and only for free. And if you find the balance as man area, a basana ama the bigger communities and so on job. And if you know ya na more to I think about 85% here. Almost a year, a no customer half years, a idea, a equal, a bit of and say, yeah, nearly a big baby no, a bit higher again. And so far, and I'm not afraid to.
Honorable Emide say, waka say, assembly motu anamo bebre so far na minim say problem we said the honorable assembly member no eka ye no eda ho enye ne na 3 years ago die na che say eye aban dada no apen so minim say aban bia ba mensia krache ne enwurabafo no esesa na momo hu ne se honorable ese ye to sa NDC ne MPP nsem no eto ba bi na issue ne ba ye focus na ene ye betu wei ena na ye ni resources wei ena hu ne se eye high time say ye bejai sa ne ma no na ya face challenge na ye tu ho na mo ne aye because enkomo ya me ne uboyi honorable set light kura ne area ho ebi ni ho nyame adom na no ya ena wo mo ye se wo mo de nkanea ebeba ho enkanea no ye ho adwuma till now ye me commission ye wie bibia edien ena eye problem na etwintwa mpanifo kwan se ya twenkanea akokrom na commission nso no akwaye problem yi
honorable Kasari making ho ya because previous administration kon deciding member. And for 8 good years, not like about within a matter of 3 months, and like about the airlines, maybe I can't meet this, about down. Only the UCG force yet. After this, my commission night, and not about in the area, which might be low. And only the process I come here. And yes, somewhere in a young commission here. And yes, I took a was me a NDC for your sanity. How about 8 years within a matter of 3 months, started acquire about 8 years and NDC, so I need to say to one of your baby. And your community is in the breed, and I grew almost so I about the maybe I never here and after a NDC, Upo, and the other is I did the work at the constitution. And this is also say, maybe I did the hospital by NDC, there is one by because for example, I get to put it on NBC as a party, also. Yeah. We have the democracy actually. The only thing I say here, people need is control. But yeah, we have already man. On that Bonanka family doing common. So that's not quite sure. For how many years? And I don't know what the can buy this NBC as a party. They can about.
Oh, I know the what kind. I know the what kind.
What I won't come on look at among your Kanya. Now, at the same time, this is so many Kanya now. I'm not a Yakania. I am not so many Yakania. I am not Yakania. Commissioner Munya. But the other book na meter na abo make actualize it. Upon the aspect of educate you about the use of light in the country. And we put us a from abo put on abo as a member. I am aware of all these things. And until say the poem abandon and we are not talking, we are working. About and put them on coordinator. Community, I think my say, if I am not a community, nobody can imagine I am. It is in the far ahead. It's starting from zero, but then you know about 85%. Every so unnecessary procedure. Yes, we show machines, car, any car, you never be so now, so was I here to see the glass, and give a 1 day, and I can't and it's dying. Honorable was a member, or I was an amount too. He has never been a year and I think it's just the actual. Now, that's a small thing now. There were communities about 10 friends on the bottom of any Canada. I have to fight out now. You know, almost basically in the community here. That was a moment. Secondly, I think I NDC about a number of you to know. And the NPP is on the industry. But the bar, a year, a market for a young person, and into Catalan, and it's by whom to walk or Magan.
Right. Honorable, enter Major Quina. Onwene onhuni say ekwan ya enye eno kura ka obi na bia nkrofo ekura one person be koye reporter ya obeka va story no ewo ho no ba wa bedu wo ba kura bobo ya mu no wote ya wode baaye enkrofo yi banchi ye beka akwan mu yi ba wa bedu ya reporter no wo ka ho no wo mu kopia esen no efri ensio neja ekosi baby foforo enti bridge ne de wo say other issues no ho ba bridge ne de ye besere se enimenimu ya assembly no muntu hwana mo wo sha beye time frame ben entem wo betimi amayen e bia specifics bi kakra se bosumi se entem ana e bia na wotwe se entem wo betimi ahye na sa bridge mu aye e de efri ho.
Let me back the last rules in the crime, you know, the under urban rules, the under federal rules. And see, Muslims, who as a family would they support another concern of those departments that we knew at Massachusetts. We don't believe in saying that from our cafe, the Masamla or San France are far back, we make us say, no, but Mamma did for Nick about it and Chile. But she was more of a the movie are the next example on the and assembly say the budget plan in the budget for this 2020. It was why you put your name any some of the that is why I talk about 4 years it and I've never society one after the other. The council say nothing yes, so at the party, the platform is made disappointed. So we are the victim yes. And as a man or only more than my especially small communities, how to get fire is why I said, man. And it's also maybe a day of Massa, and when you set up a maximum for 1 hour. And they can get a not the getting a phone of the Anya, it is not a commission. I think they are Kumasa, even after the day, open over a house, no, it's not why you're and see, next time I started for the bouquet. Now, for people in good years, 1 year ago, no more animal in the area.
Right. Honorable Major wa Mwakono, woman for 8 years enyumre wo last west tiawa ya wo de be ma omo efa eniema hodo ne nhyehyɛ ya waban wo mo eyede ama omanfo ewo offense south.
The American say, your offense about paying a very mindful being into so much the next level. Come in India support the 1 year could be
Yay, ahumano adrope
SOMPA
kafra honorable we die na ye de new asia enesa enese e drop ye ne ye hwese ye benya honorable more minutes tia wabi na nasem na woka no wonfansi emayen ansa na wako nanso ne tenti ne tietie nyina mu ene se honorable MC ye wonpotem ho wo se omanfo wewi a wo monka omakomanto mu yem se de honorable Smiler ebeka ye no eye sa pepepe ne tie ne mumu na assembly no ahye honorable asaba ho so honorable fache mi ona ahoma no drop ye na wanugusu a wo de wasem AC
that's what I'm saying. I see a trouble. I didn't put to this at the problem back to my before. No, it's about so you go and that's from other car parties. And you could be here and now one young to man that I come after the day will be a proposal of so as Maya also the you want the Ogana being going to be a team. You've been coming from a young couple more than that done. Like to me, I idea to a couple from Australia and there's a pattern.
Mo medasipi honorable Frank Owusu Amoa se me frɛ wo no wapene na wo ne sompa edi enkomo medasipi right okay enti offenso south MCE onmonyamfo Frank Owusu Amoa ena yene no edi enkomo no yedi kan ete omanfo wo chinchimori wo monkan kuafo yete wo monka odi kru na kwa meboaten wote se wode ne de to so ena fe yene assembly member honorable Sumaila Zakari ekodi nkomo ena de wo twato a yene ne kasa sesia no MCE for offenso south honorable Frank Owusu Amoa enti yamani boni ba wabedu ene enkomo a wodi efri asante mantem ebai no honorable ashebo se bridge ya ye kan budget assembly no aye ya wo mo hye nim se afi enche kura the next time asompa ye beba chinchimori se ye ba behwe baby akwakodru no na eye ensempa nko a ene ye ba be report enti eno so ho amanebo eno no ma memfanto wanimu ese hot bite kase ye bosompa 106.5 FM Accra so ena wasogusu a wutie na sompa TV no so wo hye e wo ho no time about mixture ena afa kase ye bono ho eka yete ha se ohonam na ye oye 3D wanum ato wuntumi ne di onya bi na ononom a etimi boa mu apomden ho nsem no so eko enkan time about mixture baby etunton enrobia pharmacies herbal centers obenya bi ato 0244 417669 0244 417669 midima for herbal center Dr. Time da so semen kancho say yade bi a etete wo no fabra no wenye hu adwuma ye stroke sisi yade ukotodwe diabetes prostate na etete mema hypertension u kidney no wenye ho kakra e wo ho a midima for herbal center wo no ene ye kanfo ede amaw ene anwumre enkran poko asemayira eho ena obehunu kumase abuakwa agogo doctor ebie branch ni bi ewo honom numbers no 0244 77 4282 0244 77 4282 and 0500 72 72 15 eno eye medima for herbal center sabredie nonsia abo apahosima enson enti nonsia bremu kase bono ye de toaso ede ama wei eye ofa etoso mienu
no kure entwaso no de ba ya no ye de ye ni ade awom anu nti patakra yi wasum so mpati ni so na wo hwan so de a so krai omodin fre obi na bi so fre obi enka nchiro bi se ebra na so ye de entwaso na mawo na entwaso no mu no mampani John Dramani Mahama wakasa ne nkasa heri nyina no mene wakasa wo France abrochima mu Leon na won wo wei wakasa nyina ya apomne won sabonko a en waka no sa no wo se yentime ntina ho wabreko a Ghana ebibrem ene wiase nyina no yempomden e won sam no yentime nkanwe ekura na dwumade bi ko so afa no say One Health Summit apomne ba ko adwumade enu anwo ye ne sa no na mampani kwa no so ye ka ne ya sede ye bibrem de na fim titiru pa ne wono mo heba afoi ni ye wo mafim so mo de nde wo mo nkura emfoi wo se da bi yentime nka apomden ni anka nu papa wabreko a ye beja bibrem de no e de afiri wo kura no nti won de wo ka de a che wi titiru pa ne abrofo no se so mpa wo ya makro na ho pe wore ne de dwuma ewo Leon no na wo ka che resance wo mo ho live ewo dan for radio any TV ne so ya obi ehwe bi wo ho eno nti wo ka de atrewia se nyina sa bibrem no wane papa Ghana kura de ende ye di twam ye twam kura ni nyina mu no one health summit ya wo mu yi wo mu pe nu papa wo mu pe papa ni nyina no wo mu fo bebre de ne nka ho titu ni hama enutan nubuna no mu de ka ho ma ne ye yi a ebeboa ma ye mpomode ni ada na ye to twere ye no ene ye ho ahia ye.
Health approach is thus a practical matter for us in Africa. We traditionally lived our lives in lockstep with nature. We're an integral part of nature. Still, more than 50% of our population rely on herbs and other natural forest resources for their medicines. Our rich cultural heritage stands as a testament to the wisdom of an integrated approach to healthcare. Long before the coinage of One Health innovations, our ancestors had over the centuries mastered the use of plant-based therapies for animal healing, which in turn protected human health. In Africa, our lived experience leads us to accept without question that human survival, animal well-being, and plant health and environmental care form a single interconnected system. This system also integrates prevention, early detection, and swift response into a comprehensive whole that improves downstream medical care. We understand that our national development is rooted in resilient ecosystems and a strong public health system. Since the dawn of African civilization, from Songhai to Great Zimbabwe, from Timbuktu to Axum.
And what here? Wa boya bo Axum ka ho. Chasa bibre mu de ande, yentime nyi mfiri mu kura. Timbuktu, e de ko Zimbabwe, ye wafa ya kontampoa. Ni kuro mu ya wo ba fa ye ni aba afiri akwa de nu yi wo mu nyina ka hunu bie eno ntisi ye ka ma ye nyia mbre mu kura mfiri mu kura wo ye Ghana man pedin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo nyina no na Emmanuel Macron ya ono ye France man pedin na won na na ebo nko nti wo se wo ka sa nyina na abrofo no wo mu tuo no mu no dead wo mbo mu tin kwam se aha adepa ofia oye na eno na oman mu ene sa de pa wo fie bia na yo se ho bambon so ye boni yi enti process adom no wo mo anomu nso pa sa memena bo de agusu a wo mo bota nyina ne se wo mba ma bambo no etimi atoyi na wo mai ye mra ye didi ye ndwuma abo ye ho ban no ene so bekoso na enyine rule of law no enti service with integrity said na Black Maria for no ye adwuma se wo mo de Red Maria nso aba be ka ho said be no betimi achi nuboni ahodo bia enso se yempotamu a emwa emma ye daache no entimi nyire ye won betwa abaahwe ano ne sremantife won ma ye bi na ode region ho na nipa maako aduanan ena ye de wo mo akwakọ gina mranim se emra ne wo mu ni nyina enuboni ne ehu dwade na abonafusam nketenketi bi a ehye ho eka ho na eno na process adoma won mo sremantife DCOP wisdom lavo yewra lavo ese ni ekoso no wo munya adaje taxi ranks ahodo afi aboabo ene Nabisco forest ho wo mu bowuram ba bia be kasa ho ye hotspot edema wo mu a edi saa nuboni hudwa no wo mu fa ho nyina empani ampa ne mia ne ampare na wo munya nipa dua na pa echi so ye no na eno nso no ebi mo ho a wo mu fa ne wo mo ya ebi kura tua firi 2400 ekwa kosi 120,000 we ya wo mu kan no DCOP wisdom la we say ebi no matua ya wo mo de won ho so wo mo tua fine na ma ye ja won ebi mo nso a wo mo ntimi ntua nti wo mo kọ na wo makọ akoda kokum na sade woni aba ne bofo edi ho nkomoni.
We are trying as much as possible to resist any interference. We want to be very strict and make sure that whoever is arrested with any drug will be taken to court without listening to anybody who is trying to interfere with the process.
The awoti ni mfoni na wo hwe e wakasafoni no so no DCOP wisdom lavoy
wo ensamfoforo emuno awie ya na yehu senkrata bi efri office of the special prosecutor eye kodubofo sonko na tena ye aba ene yesi we ya yewura kisie jabia ka ne hu die ede na ekoso e wona kache en wo se natena ye ho no womo alonche crackdown bi ewo omanyi ye petroleum sector ho no mo a eho behia se enhwehwemu a esefata ebekoso na nipa bi a woma ya omadwene se womo de womo ebefa wo manyi eso abo man ne ka no ye betimi ehunu womo nyina na yeyi womo to akonwa na eka womo bo aban no enam businesses any operations ahodo a ekoso no so ne yehunu babia sa niema no eko enti we no womo so ma court akogye to min krata se esese womo ye nhwehwemu efa sa fuel depots ahodo bi ya womo ene several bulk distribution companies bi nso aka bom eye adwuma womo ye no ebo wo man ne ka na wanya ankrankra bi adwuma we ye state institutions aban nyuma bi a womo eye nima bi asabi ensem fata na womo ekiremu esesa hyehyemu ya womo launchi se bibia timi ko wiase na eye successful a ene millions of Ghana cedis ena womo nsa betimi aka ankasa sika no ebe fa nkrofo bi ensase na special prosecutor ekiremu se bulk distribution companies bi any fuel deposit bi a womo ye adwuma no womo asase ene adwuma yefo bi a womo ewo National Petroleum Authority NPA enipa bi hihye ho ya womo ye nyuma se de be ya womo ebebo o man ne ka Ghana Revenue Authority GRA bi wo ho National Security Secretariat bi wo ho ena ye ba eye fuel depots ahodo ne nso a womo nso no Platinum Oil and Gas Limited womo ye nhwehwemu wo ho Central Oil for ne si womo nyina aka ho bi womo so ebi wo ho Akwaba Oil Sahara Oil and Gas Limited ena de wo twato ye Chase Petroleum Ghana Limited enti sa nyumaku ya mabobobo womu edin no womo say MPP se wokoye port womo import petroleum products ne eba wo mayi mu a enkrata ya eda so se bia obi ekoyi ne niema womo trotro niema hodo bi se ye container enum ensia womo specify bibia ansana womo akle nanso sa krofo etimi ne nipa binumu a womo wo sa institutions ho ye adwuma ma petroleum products na ye imported ya bo man mu no ye beba ne se ye ka se ABCD ne ye de ba enko wiase ne ye XYZ enti niema ne kra na ye hunu ni ye na ebia tax bi wo honom kro esese ye tua de ma ban ya ye tua sa niema ne nyina wo mu ivedi enti enhwehwemu ya Office of the Special Prosecutor se wo ye no wo mo se wo mo hye anim se enko wiase no oman ni sika biara afa sa enyumaku ya mabobo wo mu di wo mo nsase en wo mo bobo enkrofo bi se aban adwuma yefuo bi ya wo mo ye persons of interest wo mu din de ya amfa amba enam se ade ndie saa ya moda womudin se asumesi ana obenti agi se investigations na kwawieye investigations no so mpempi ye behu asase ye hu awieye na emu wedie ye gie di se ye special prosecutor kisie jaben ye hwe ni mu pass wedi obema ye hunu investigations na wieye because said National Petroleum Authority wontimi mebo MPA fodin mebo GRA mebo National Security ene sa companies num ya makan ne nkowiase ne ye hunu nkrofo a ehye kira wo mo eye saade no enti wo se wedi is not over we ya hyase kura enti ye kwa anim ne ye de ni edinsam no achi se bibi foforo bia nso efiri ho no mo ba ye bedane atwie e de amasompa etiefo
aha no ate no aha ya nso na abasa ate no na tim no nso ya de babere no wo mo na ate ho no eno nti so wo ma fa amampo a ye ba yiwem ye de ba mawo live awo SOMPA TV so ba modern frɛ obi no so nka nkyerɛ obi sɛ tender committee de kwa asetena na wo mo kɔ ye no ni nyina ye engineers and plumbers da my minds no a linsi no na no amanfo ahya se kra de ya amanyosem na ebinom tutu ne sere ne nutunu ne masa no tender committee de se wo hwehwe mu a engineers and planners wo mo musika ye enti amfa ma ho no mo nkwa ya adwuma no na eno ne tie ha kakra wo mo gina 20 LI na ba 2012 no LI 2176 eno so na wo mo gina na ye licensing regulation 2012 eno so na wo mo gina no mo de ya sa adwuma ni nyina ne ye regulation 258 ya wo mo de adwuma no eno wo mo hwe mu a na ne yakoba ye nie Minerals Commission for and one more chance as one more tender process no. When we hear Mokabo Muano, woman your confidence Marco and 9. Sa and 9 no. A woman ana wɔn imagine yakɔ manim kakra no wɔn so wɔn mu mienu deɛ wɔn gina wɔn na so yie pa na mienu no wɔn hwɛ mu a no wɔn so nia ne sikasɛm yɛ ya wo betimi amma ban bia die ma ban na hu sampa we de wakodwa wa moka no engineers and planners limited and wɔn so okay and ya monfa ma wɔn na say we yɛ tender committee no wɔn recommendations a wɔn ayɛ ade akoma afam bi e wɔn bia kan bi yɛ ɛsɛ wɔn fa ma engineers and planners na bra no wɔn wɔ konom ti ni so a wɔn yɛ meeting no na so mpa kɔ no etuase wɔpɛ yɛ ba modern chi wɔn meeting ne kakra no wɔn nim se yɛ hɔ na nso mun tie kakra ma yɛ
so that EMP clearly demonstrated or got the biggest score when it came to the technical proposals stage. Now, financial provisions, before you can move to the next, which is the financial proposals, you must have scored a minimum of 80%. But based on the scoring, Hillgrove could not get the minimum 80%. So on that score, based on the notice, you cannot be taken to the next for financial proposal. We left EMP as only contender for that. And the government you must show evidence that you have access to funding in excess of 500 million USD. EMP demonstrated that by documentation that shows that at least Stanbic and APSA have committed to funding the operations to the tune of 505 million USD. So based on the requirements, the guidelines published, EMP met all the requirements.
I don't know. Now, some part of the other now the assem. Just a one who goes to recommendations, one who did come based on this, one of the report to the Quinano, Niagara Junction, so into Nayafa. Now, okay, go first Ghana Limited. One more Ghana has a Esha Omajuma say 1993. There's one more Chamukra Kobese, 33 years ago, the new one. One more young one year, Jumanino, one look at 90%, one Chemu at Yokono. Emu chemuni dupe ana kwa ba ho ene wo ma hwemu a hunu se we de be ya nke from engineers and planners wo de anya hwe no wo mu ahaya wo mu sika no so wo mu ba bi wo benya nyom sika ne de afiri no a na se Ghana haya no kakra be ka ha KKBK wo se kakra be ka ho eno nti no wo hwemu a wo de ma engineers and planners no we ye meeting no a report no mo present here e de ma mpanifo no se ne wo mo ka no bi no
we eya ka se bo no ne omega de twatro kra wonemu ena yeguso a yede ma no o run live watiko pa no so TV no so ena fe flat screen so ye live for o phone no so aso data uko YouTube asompa FM live ubenya yen ena fe Facebook ena so asompa 106.5 FM Accra e ho na ye pese uko na akokoche na unua nso enya bie no na enkomo yi a ekoso agudi a omayi wo emutima na wi podokura sanda hoto nchen ajapade de obade wadom ye bi papa nanso emfa ho ene de wode adom ye no waka asem bi wona twiro mu so obeye nyina ye nyinu obeye hye nso aro wa ye na botrobojo de wo befo afenanum eno ana asensa atomra hye bedwani leventin fojo de ba beto so se san komo we nu a nyameka ne dadaada no woda so de ye adwuma o wutim bode ama esika okwa ahodo nanso still wo hia bubure ku yen esanse sa atiwade eboma LGBTQ+ no se de mpelemfo si bo ho pa de bo abandada ni tiri so na sa bere wo mu ba ba mu a wo mu mo ho wakra no ni nyina no ya de a nyame kura atia enti wo buza se die nti na acha wo mu nko ho wo no
nyina mu ofansia asopro peniko bebre even before election no our islam asopro peniko ga nya epo mo ko e no so mani information o se yani and before the so activity so mo no ya promise of God ni mo ba o ba be several months ni asan girl no e ya po ya ma me mo ba ebu asopro ni na so nya so so no ma so bo se pra ebi ye de man sa ma ni go to be no se go so bo pa ni tongue that can say go so now na when we now ba the share happening we asopro ye to ye ni no ba the country o say abi do ba e no priority you and what say na me na people ye do no they will hear say mo Ghana ha they will schools in some they were hospital in some say e they were sima some say they started some baby nigga o ma beni mahama all that ẹnu ẹwọ onti ẹnu yìí wọn sọ ní ìlànà yìí yà wọn correct saa ẹnu ti ẹmúra no na 2021-2024 ní.
Reverend Tim Fojo asensa atomra hye bedwani we NPP omo headquarters wo ana wo mo ye nsantwofo nhye mu ya wo gina mu abusa asasemi sabra kro na ayefro fresh ya enkan so na na oponcheche kwa ese odi ne honeymoon ese ye ne wo bubude tot na wo wase na woto asemi emane yen
Ebusia yeda so e wo saa ensem no emu na Reverend John Ntimfo jo kasa wie ye pe e na aban se wei wo mo ntena ho kra ma de enche so wo mo de response na ebra nu sesi ase ne wura fia na wo mo da ben wo mu free aban mu da ben enye emfie mienu atwam yi 2 years ne kura nyansi en wo mu free aban mu and then na mampani akufo ado wo no bill ne ye pass wo emrase bedwam no and then one sign ansa na ye yi MPP fo afree aban mu na government spokesperson Yera Felix Kwachiofosu ena edisa response yi ama Reverend John Ntimfo jo se wo no de baby a wote na wo hwe no wo hu se de MPP fo ye na amanyosem ahwehwe ni wa bi no wo matam de afa wo mani ase na wo mo ye sa de no 1% ga wo mo ya na Ghana fo hu se oh MPP fo de wo mo ye o MPP fo de ye mo chance bi mu a wo se enya de e be peke emfa kura enti some LGBT asam no kura de enki ye ka ensese MPP fo kura wo mo bo ho wa.
It was deliberate, it was intentional, part of the process to ensure that it was never signed. That is what that is about. If they were willing to sign it, it would have been signed. So a party that behaves this way cannot turn around and support to be lectured and summonized on the same subject. President Rama has been clear that the very day that any LGBT law is brought to his desk, he will sign it into law. As we speak, that has not happened because the MPP and President Akufo-Addo refused to sign that bill. The bill elapsed, it ceased to exist, and Daniel law says that it has to go back to Parliament. So at the same process, that was what was happening. The MPP in Parliament knew that the bill is now at committee level and is being worked on. So exactly what are they supporting to comment on? Has anybody brought any bill to President Mahama who has refused to sign it? Like it's nothing more than political, what they call it, posturing. That's what it is. They are only posturing political. They don't mean well. They do not support the bill, and their actions show it. That is what they need to.
Well. When would the amanyosem timi ye wo man adia ye se ye hu adwuma no che se abanya sesenti bill ne kura ne yemfa ma yemmedi hu komo kura mbe deliberate wo parliament ho ne akase ye wie ana ye wie ye enti enkomo ne de akoye nsempi Felix Kwachiofosu wono ne kasa de ma aban wo se MPP fo monka ma no ntum
ana no twene kae wo se hu se achiwade e boman efri kronu ho atifi ho abebutu okronkron bia ho a wo ka asemiti ase mampare akufo ado kra mbi kan se we eni agenda no so e twa bo ne pa nti we obaje kakra gu ne ho nanso ye bokoya nim na ECG fo won wakasa won so mba ba ya replacement bi nye meter de no na won we transformer no won se na no transformer no mba to ye ah e bi no ho ha asa ne narogo ene guwa na basa woya no hwie nye na tituru pa ne nkran ha de no de kotobeku mo ene wona be ya ne sa no na sesi am no ka se onunyamfo Abdullahi Jinapo wa mamode aye ne opeso ye nyina ama effort no so reliable and stable opeso wonya na capacity no so koye pa power supply no eno nti one more crack transformers for kra e de abankran ya won ba be ye replacement na se ne wona be ye no wa mo si wọ́n bá kọ́ akọ wúrẹ́wúrẹ́ adẹ́ntà la tẹ́sí nùgbà ẹ̀dẹ́ kọ́ máa jọ bá tó na làṣìbí sáfà fúnra wọ́n nyina wọ́n bá kọ́ họ na wọ́n mú kọ́ akọ upgrade 12 transformers across 6 primary substations ẹ̀wá sáfà fúnra wọ́n nyina no wọ́n kọ́ akọ yẹn nyina ẹ̀wọ̀ họ ẹ̀rọ nà mẹ́ka yẹn no adẹ́ntà la tẹ́sí nùgbà máa jọ ẹ̀nà afọ nso bá tó na ní làṣìbí wọ́n kọ́ akọ sísan họ diẹ nyina na ukọ̀ pìẹ́ mu wọ̀ ECG a wọ́n general manager external relations Dr. Charles ni ayiku wọ́n na akasa yi ana wọ́n bọ́ mọ́dé kyerẹ́kyerẹ́ mu sey.
We are aware some few weeks ago the sector minister Honorable Dr. Jinapo gave approval for us to undertake the replacement and upgrade of our power transformers. So beginning tomorrow, 8th of April 2026, we are going to start the upload, and this would impact on our customers. There are going to be some disruptions as this upgrade takes place. So we apologize for the inconvenience, but it's for the good of our customers, for the company, and for Ghana.
Ademfo Charles Nia Ikuno no one general manager one amanfo bankomo edema ECG adwumakuo no ewo enkramanta mu ase ene wacheche mu kama enti mu amuwo adanta la teshinungwa omanjo ene afi bacho na ne lashibi no bia samonkane ane bona ne enyedum so yesa transformers
enti nkane ane de enya free transformer mu a enam homanum na ba besu mita na afi onso wenya bi na mmom se koba se petrol no de wo mo eta site bi egu tank num na engine no a eda kai num na start na wa transport passengers no edo wo makoba bi ese kro na eno na sesei sade petrol ni ntumu ni ehwehwiri sa atwere ya ekosoro enti ama ntumu no mpanimfo wo mo dwendwene ho kwampa wo mbefa so a enema bo no enkonko ye tentente sade na no enkasahye waterfo betum abaye tiemu a ewie yenso a enema ntumu no so abobo abatitru ne kasika eno nso watiemu no na wedie Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council GRTCC wo mo na akasai wo mo say adrawa 42 asenkafo ekuo ni nyina wo besere mo ada ma momfa mutiri mu sesie enkoto fa bia mu abra wo mo nya ntena asemfa pa ento ho ensese hu petrol bo na aba ene sade wo mo nso ebetimi age na ma wo mo nso yetimamufo no wo ho ahenha wo mo na sankomwe no ensantwofo ne nya adaje ese wo mo gina ho edese wo mo General Secretary eduma GRTCC no wahine yeboa ene ne amane bofo edi nkomo yi.
We haven't provided the details. We haven't provided because we haven't discussed the details of the increment. We will have to add, get the computation together, get our numbers before we can actually look at how much defeats will do. But they haven't come to the table. We don't haven't had their meetings on Thursday, so maybe after Thursday we'll be able to get some news from the ministry and proceed to do it. Well, we think it's inappropriate. They will have to hold their fire for now.
Ene awoti wono enene watchro edema Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council GRTCC no iro hene yeboa.
Yeka was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ena waso gusu a wutie na SOMPA TV no so wo hye eye hot bite kasebo ene yeka so a yekenkan ede emamo wo ensemfoforo mu na wie yi ene yebo mamane ewo ye kasebo emu ese Awutu Senya is Mensing Assembly no wo makoye demolition bi ewo kaswa Old Market efa bi se baby a wo mo one person wo mu yi wo mu free ho na redevelopment ekoso se wo mo tretre ho asiesie wa ye ho ye se de be ya mpp traffic ya echie na nema bo apeso congestion wo betimi ahwe no mayi ni nyina ede afri wo ne no na dwadifo no ebe keka bi kira assembly ni se na mo ba baby bi se ya mo mebo ya mane mo nka hwe ne ehu ya ne se ye de excavators ene nema bi etete sa aba na womo ejiri honom ni nyina ye ho pasa ena omanfo bi so keka so wei ayesei amanyosam saa wom de be politics na asa no se oh how enti assembly na ba be kire mu ne enti a womu etu saa na mo no na wosi saa area ho na nkasa no woma hunu se ensuo to a enye congestion so wo ho ahunidie basache so bedru ho bola enwura chese eniema omanfo ne ye ne nyina no eye market na ewo ho no mu no enti o de bia bola wo ho enti wo ma hunu se empatadan na emwa enti wo mo be permanent shops na wo ma ye enti wo mo de wo mo call Iron City ho no mo no se wo mo ebe hye no wo manya permanent stores de ama wo mo na wo matimi aye adwuma na yakope baabi kakra ene ya bo permanent shops no se adwadifo no nkọ ho no wo mu enkonkodi wo mu dwa wo mo se che Old Market ho an wo mo pe enti eho ne kono na aye wo mo den enti na ne wo mo kan de wo mo pe ekire assembly no na ne one ensemtwofo di nkomo eye Owura 7 kakraba wono na ye municipal physical planning officer ewo Awutu Senya East Mensing Assembly ho enkomo ya wodi ye wa kire mu ne enti a wo mu etu saa na mo no
since 2019, the assembly decided to develop this place into a market stores instead of the shed. So we started looking for investors that can partner with the assembly to construct permanent stores here. So we started the engagement until last year when we got enough funds and then a lot of contractors coming in, and then we decided to come and start the redevelopment project. And prior to that, we started engaging the affected people, and we have done enough. We look at other areas because we want to develop the entire CBD to become a modern market. Because when you are coming from Accra and Cape Coast, this is the eye of the town, and we cannot allow to occupy this place, which is creating a lot of refuse, as you can see here. And we want to avoid that because the assembly is spending all the revenue that we get to control refuse here, and we can't continue to do that.
Ene ya yekoti SCA Mensin Physical Planning Officer Emma Wutu Senya East Municipal Assembly no Ora Steven Kakraba.
Eno kanani afram town country planning for no wono mo a na emrase badam dom kuma no wo mo na ebusa aban say na no a koko boy ya aja atin so free 36 million ba 25 million na ya say 25 na ya say 36 no ya say minority for na tiafa koko baby lo muni mo akra no amoko wo mo na nwa koko fo mo amoko akra na speakers edidi di omachi ana wo mo busa wo mo trene anadompre ensoma do agi mi rase badwani wo se yemfa so mpa so na yemusa aban titru pa ne mampani mahama wada man na no senti sen kafie we ye ni ayebe to aba ankoba ka se wi ase mansan koko ne yate so ntino Ghana wo te so ana
SOMPA ASARE we ya ABATO OBREA inka ye wa mahama bati koko so it we musa ekuafo de me ba be enyomo me du ABATO OBREA so apode kakra de amam skaba mo cha ba mo nkasa mo ho amama ye musa Ghana fo bi ye nipa chin bi obi nkasa ba be chiche skaman adwuma ye ni no osende dan islamo awaka mo masaje we ni sanawo twakra kase na ye ho na ye ma ene ya semma ene generation yet to go women kasa some way na bakosam say imperial bu nkunta no amose for 100 years if you are abandon any ho about what koko face so aje papa yi
wa na kasa yi we another brother no ena me ko wuntintiri wo kasa dendende na we na ni handru nyina ni wa kwa kopie bu one dom kuma no ya na tano no from Brazil je ni kura ka ho ona bu gidi ombo akọ doctor kura kare de ne ho no mo ka ho mo ne nam bo mantomu na wo mo ko no nya akwa bro no ma ena na nam sa ene tinsem nyina nya akwa bro no ma na etoto ma ne ye wa hai na wo wie ye pe ena tano no from Brazil je ni ambo de din doctor gidi ombo akọ won na no wo ye boafo so kokura edema Dr. Baumia won so ye economist and one also the kakra ka no so de send another play ekai means me to say where Dr. Gideon Bwakono no na eno no obi asend message abade wonya conference center na hwe koko fom wogina no eno nti na no don breakita koko pod no app koko ndi efe pa no kre koko we pa ba we be wo mu na ba no to be yakese pa ni bia correct one se wo buru a na o de onsam nim se ya bon se let go from se ya we koko papa no aha no bia eno na akuafo no a wata no nofo ye ona Dr. Gideon Bwako di MP wo mu so de kakra ka na me se jaadwa abaya dada on papa na mahama still what do wanka
emi ku ye fie grace ni na ma hyenkwede say say do mama de me kwai anya wa ka ko ni so fa mi ko na bia na fa ya ba mama ye ti ya anya ma me papa te ya mama mi na ne ka sa che we browra sa mi na ne to kokoi ya kwa ni ya kare ni ya ma ye no so ya kwati we ya bro mi bro ho no ma obi dia na ayemra wa me de ma na no chia me ka na nya bi no dia ka me ma say me kwa ba me se adrawra na na say awu pra no ya pra to won ko si kan ti awu na yu ka na pra wa mo ti nya to bia ma me ya bragu koko ya bragu ye me gina ko yesi ni na ti se yo mama na ye wishi ni woni e gonja ni ni ori ari ni ye ho abeti na nse mo ti se obi di koko akọ igba oton ti se me ko je do mama ni na ba ni se we siri ni ni koko ye ni nche ti se tale ba ko dia ni ko ho ni se koko ni fi ewura kia na to koko ni le ko ko to Nigeria ye do siri
abusante ye we akafo mi no na ma na adwuma ya no kan ya no wo do koko na sai eye no na mi no ya ne so do brada afi wadi no ne koma o mo se koko ro kra munye scanto inje se ade no kra munye scanto mo de to inje se amafo sase do brada pa e won fafre mu ho ana no ma che fa ma me na dwa wo ja no wato fam e bunam koko wura mu ama che se akoya wura wo sempa entom se yan kan che mampani ma ma che still wodi wo mka ene na so brada nti ehwo asamo ano no na abusua ma yemura akwansere adwuma no mu ene sana Easter mu ofa kowa na adaje ni puso saa na okọ mekuro mu nkran nsanso na coronation ye pa na nanom ho ntema saa bre kro na adehia no won mo keta o nso de na wo mo ede kanu kodo no wo mo ko cheso nso no so ye ne ya fasha wo mo bohu dwanya asam ketwa na wo benfo na na opoku agimai gana mampane abade akire okopi ase bi na wakoye na ni so ni wose we ya wo ba nyina no adwuma wo mo ye 2024 edi match ne ye ehwo na ase ene ogu so de da na nso sade wo mo adi nkunim wo mo ni keta na adie wo mo nyina nka mbom na dodade ba nso a wo no madi.
I just want to thank all of you. You did very, very well in our last elections. You supported us and you are very grateful. And we know we can count on you in spreading the good gospel in all the good things that we are doing. You also dialogue with us. The things are not going well, we want to hear from you. We want to work with you. We want to plan with you. We want to succeed with you. I thank you.
And we are no, and we the friends was Easter regatta no ase na wie na ma me abla jifa gomase won so de ne de eto so sei.
This festival is not only for Vuja, but covers the whole coastal community from Aplau to Anyangui, because we face the same issues, we share the same sea and the lagoon. When we work together that way, it will make it bigger and better. What Ghana does not lack is the talent of people in all the sectors, all the domains in the ministry. What we lack is the visibility. So if we work together, I'm sure that we'll bring our forces and our energies together and ensure that young people who love swimming will take advantage of this and polish their acts, and who knows, probably also go into region as in ECOWAS, as in Africa, and then to the
and Vuja regatta na se o ya wo mo de kodo no esi nso no so ekọ chains and wo mo ekọ chains ni bi no wo mo chesa afidie no ayede pa chenka na fimpo na wo mba ka kire mpanimfo se wo mo nkoso ama ne nyesa na afoforo emfo ohonyim.
Last year we have put to in the second position. They hit us on the way. I say that this year if they count, they hit us, so we come out for them. So as we are going there, we come out the first, we did the first to the end. So we are happy for the trophy and everything.
In the pool, you know, we do have lanes that we are able to control. But over here, it's just open, no lanes. So it makes it a bit difficult, and hence you have to do a lot of hand up to see your direction and also listen to the live and all. What's fun?
And so now we'll have a enya brochire nso Ghana haya yenso no bia keta de noa na wo ma asa ne seketa wo nam so no we eye de ekoso afofi mu ehon nkomo ne afa abre we
yetoa ensem no so na enra ewo Dr. Mensa Market ye wo Kumasi Metropolis ensuo toya na enya asem ketoa na wo mu kire mu se ensuo ne toye achi no eniema asese ni wo manfo adwadifo ne kese pa wo mo eniema ebididade da baabi enti wo de hwe wei eya najo ena bawa beidu ekoteki saa coverage wenu anajo enti wo de hwe enya semkitu ekwanim nyina ye ma chese obi nkɔ no obi aba na efi pa efi entontorowa niema ya ton ensuo batu mu nsuo raba bebre kwa ena aye niema ne ma ne nenam su ne ni kyese cars ne kura ebi nko na ebi aba na ade achi yi omanfo ne se wo mo sere KMFo se sanitation bylaws ne de se wo mo yiri mu pa wo sa Dr. Mensa ho e de kire se nsuo beto beye don hwiri mienu pentem na wei ene ebehunu de ene ese nsuo ne kan ho na e ka se to don hwiri num ene akira ene niam ahodo bi ebesi e wo Dr. Mensa ho no enya de a ebeye asempapa kora nti wo masre mensi anase Kropon assembly no KMFo se wo mo hwentototo niam ase de ebeye bibia betimi akoye e wo sampotem ntichuru sa bre ya nsuo no afi kra na kese mu eba beto ebusua ye ka wo se Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye ne Sompa TV ene ye de kase boyi ebro ye dane ye hutiawa na yaje aboafo enkrato ye ba de aka atwi no ye de beto aso
Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra Midimafo eba clinic aba Accra ani o wontie passengers egumi kai mu ehwa na dodo na ekro eni sa Accra ne potem yedemo ani yedemo ampa de se de edutwam Atlantic International University America memu abo Dr. Adujamfi abaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine it is said here ayaresaro ayam more oh me se minim wife ye kopa wo wani ye one city ni se ne betom anza na yetues ka no me se me connection na ensheda nkoye na esakakra se wa page mu ama hode ambam connection ne mu ye wa abo wudi ba de kro ba de kro ye stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa hu ani de sie no yare bia etatia e wa Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma se wo agogo opposite government school no and nkra hanso abapiem e wo pokuase Maira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282 number 0500-727215. Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Midimafo Newa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV and Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Satikwapo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim enam nensaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We no butai teacher Sompa First Service awo homahe enye TV program keke eyebra osro ni asasi hia eyebro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawu Hoda, a Yadra Kusi, if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopano Sia. Fawudan na Sheradens, na Erade Bay.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo fi enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fa masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 there's a 21st clinic still woman is sciatica expert.
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa
and Okuyama Aketiapa Pampa Busia ye kwako wi asem no e wa amanone na no yi Ghana mampani UN General Assembly okogina se abrofo no be fa ye nananom abibifo no enkoatom de wo mo kwa amanone sabra don de go di azambu jamo ba no wo mo be fa ya Aristotle e de wo mo koi Nti sabre ho wo mu di ye no yanso posasache yen nti aso wo mo ye ho bibi na mpo anka de wo mo de aye no wo mpata yen nti wo mo kana bro for repatriation na sasemi a wo mo ko kan ye ekwawie UK adana ma bo ho esanse customer buy obetu bi edemai se de mampani ka no enokre na no na UK Reform Party no pani a wo no ne kasama wo mo Zaya Yusuf se sade nanka wo mo ma bibifo visa se kura no wo mo asesa wadwene ndinka ayre so a 3.8 million kana fi se wo mo de ma bibifo e ma wo mba mo ne na se wo mo de repatriation de anache se nya wo mo japade a wo mbefa ndi wo mo nso afa wo ho adwene
na yewura mu wo no afa na kache sanse kura de biba ya san de fofora be wo mu na no yai ana wo mo de document bi ba montene na document no a e ba wo mo liki ye ade ma press no wo mo se so mba be ye hu enhwemu wo mo be investigation e de afa ho na no afa se one de wo ka nipa wo de sa document no e ba abontene no se ye che no a obedem.
We'll hopefully find that leaker. We're looking very hard to find that leaker, and talked about there's somebody missing. They basically said that we have one and there's somebody missing. Well, they didn't know there was somebody missing until this leaker gave the information. So whoever it was, we think we'll be able to find it out, because we're going to go to the media company that released it, and we're going to say, national security, give it up or go to jail. And we know who, and you know who we're talking about. There's some things you can't do, because when they did that, all of a sudden, the entire country of Iran knew that there was a pilot that was somewhere on their land that was fighting for his life, and it also made it much more difficult for pilots and for the people going in to search for him. All of a sudden, they know that there's somebody out there. They see all these planes coming in. It became a much more difficult operation, because a leaker leaked that we have one, we've rescued one, but there's another one out there that we're trying to get.
Sompa FM.
Nyono wokote to say akoya die we say mami a womo kwaye no womo ntimi anya anyo no we nyina Iran tokoya o say di pakro no one day one ka shenkodu one ma ye nche ne da ne ye che no a waka che national security for afiasi straight womo fa na nko no na waka say anadwi nipa bebre bewu ewo Iran enti eguso monitor press conference no ye nkwa si nyame ya demo da chena de ye bewuru womo ebewu Iran
Ebusia eno so ne yegina na yede ensam no asi na ye kai wo se efa SOMPA 106.5 FM akra no ya affiliate ahuduru nyina wo mo fa bi SOMPA Kumase SOMPA takwata kra de tichima nsunya nkranza doma Kingdom for fa bi e wo mankese 106.1 so Facebook YouTube babia ye ba ye ya wutimi enya nsem ni bi e hye ye SOMPA TV nso na ye da so live and clear ye dia seda no e ma medima for herbal center e na fei time herbal mixture se wo mo aso yasene yenum ye bekin kan ede emamo ADWOA ASARE eni midin mene
obrempong na kwaku ampoma odema kuma chia me mene
triple A mine ejapia APAM DADAA